Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video on this channel, man. So today we're going to go to how you can clear the scars from your face. As you can see, we're having so many scars here. So we're going to be using hand skin retouch. If you don't have it, check the link in the description. So not to waste so much time, let's get straight to it. As you can see, I've already installed mine, so I'm just going to press play, then it plays itself. Then after I start just brushing, for it already jumps itself on brush tool. Everything is already set the way it's supposed to be, so you just brush. Zoom and zoom so that you don't catch places that you're not supposed to catch. Brush the neck. Then select all, merge them. Now to easily make the eyes white, use saturation, yellows, reduce the saturation, add the lightening. Then on your keyboard press Ctrl I. Then unzoom it so that you can paint the yellow area. Then merge this. Come select the healing brush. Then select the spot healing brush in case you don't need to use. Sometimes you don't need to use healing brush. Spot healing brush. Then remove the remaining ones, because the high-end skin retouch will not be able to remove for you all, so you have to remove the remains. So as you can see, we're no longer having many scars. One more thing to do, come to filter, camera raw filter, then come to detail and add the luminance, then add the amount, sharpening, noise reduction and sharpening. Then here we have a very clear photo. Yeah, nice skin. Thank you for watching. Well, make sure you like, subscribe, share to anyone who feel like might be in need of it. Boom. Yeah, see you on another video.